Are you looking to simplify your writing? There was a time when you had to write with only pen and paper. Today, you don't even have to know how to spell. You can simply use voice to text. In this video, I want to talk about the use of AI and how you can use AI to write for you. I will be sharing 3 tools that I specifically use, and I know they will help you too. So keep watching. Hello lovelies, welcome to A Writer's Corner with me, Lisa Shimkus. I am the author of the award-winning book, A Town Called Home, and the ongoing Happily Ever After series. Today, I want to talk about the use of AI and how you can use that to simplify your writing so you can spend less time thinking and more time writing. Now, I grew up in the day and age of pen and paper writing. I had to have good penmanship and be able to read and write in cursive. I also could only write with a pencil. My writings had to be edited in red ink, rewritten in pencil, and only once it was perfect could I use blue or black ink to reproduce my writing. It was a lot of work for my neurodivergent brain. I absolutely hated it, which is why I am so grateful for computers and writing softwares, or applications as they're called today. One recent invention I've learned to appreciate is artificial intelligence, AI. But what exactly is AI? In the case of writing, AI is machine learning. It uses algorithms to analyze data from the internet, learn from this data, and make decisions, or spit out answers to you. This system can help writers like you and me simplify our writing process. I admit I use AI to help me create content, decide what blog posts to write, as well as generate story ideas for my novels. The use of AI is extremely helpful because, again, it helps the writer spend less time thinking and more time writing. However, there is a caveat to this. AI is not 100% correct. You still have to do your own fact-checking. AI also isn't going to spit out a full-length novel for you to copy into your word processor and self-publish. I do not recommend doing this. I work for a big library system and get to see tons of new books every day. Part of my job is not only preparing these material for the public, but also deciding which material are legible and which ones we should send back. The ones produced by AI 100% are very obvious. We send these back and get a refund. The ones that are produced by AI 100% are very obvious. Not only are they not legible, but they're also not spot on in images. Even words, I should say. I say this because if you're planning on using AI to help you with your writing process, please know that you still need a human aspect to all of this. AI is not going to catch errors the way that the human eye does. And please don't plagiarize if AI gives you examples from other authors. We have had to recycle a so-called best-selling book when it came to light that the author actually plagiarized his whole book off of other authors. Please be smart when using AI. Take the ideas and templates given by AI and make it your own because you are still a creative. Now let's move on to the 3 AI tools that I use that I know will help you too. The first tool I used is the YouTube Studio. The steps I'm going to share with you cannot be viewed on the application. You'll want to use the website. In your YouTube Studio, you'll see a content section in the sidebar. When you click on that, you'll have a window with other tabs. The Inspiration tab is one of these. This tab uses AI to generate other ideas for you based on your current channel topics. This is a recent discovery for me, and I am so grateful because this tool allows me to, again, spend less time thinking, less time researching, and more time writing. Oh, and creating content, of course. The second tool I use is Canva. Canva allows you to create documents, presentations, websites, you name it, and it's all free. The AI tool is called Magic Design. To open this, you need to start a new design, then press the image with the stars and start telling AI what you need it to do for you. Super simple tool. A third tool I use is WriteSonic. Just like the first two tools, you can use this one to generate ideas for you. I use WriteSonic to generate the outline of a novel for me, and I'm actually working on the third draft of one at this moment. So am I in love? Yes. To get your hands on this tool, see the description box below. If you're looking to simplify your writing and spend more time writing than thinking or researching, I highly recommend using AI. This does not mean, however, to use AI to write everything for you and turn in the work. Please don't take AI's credit. Like everything else in life, you still need to turn in your effort, do some fact checking, and make this your own. Use AI's ideas and templates to give you story ideas, and then make those stories your own, because you are still a creative. And that's all I have for this video. If you found it super helpful but also need more, check out the videos on the screen and I will see you there. Take care and have fun reading and writing. Bye!